Welcome to Content Analysis. Have you ever wondered why some people remain single their entire lives and how that impacts their happiness? In today's video, we dive into groundbreaking research on lifelong singlehood and its effects on mental health, life satisfaction, and social connections. Staying single is often seen as unusual in a society where relationships and marriage dominate, but a new study sheds light on how being never partnered shapes psychological well-being. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology by Michael D. Krämer and colleagues from the University of Zürich explored this phenomenon. The researchers analyzed data from 17,390 participants in Germany and the United Kingdom. All participants were around 16 to 17 years old at the start and had never been in a romantic relationship. They were tracked until age 29, providing a rare and long-term perspective on how lifelong singlehood affects life satisfaction, loneliness, and depression. The study found that gender plays a notable role in lifelong singlehood. Women who had never had a partner were more likely than men to form a relationship by age 29. In everyday life, this can be seen in how women often engage more actively in social networks, attending events or forming connections that increase the likelihood of finding a partner, whereas men may face more challenges without deliberate social efforts. Education emerged as another significant factor. Highly educated individuals, particularly women, tended to remain single longer. This can often be attributed to career or academic priorities taking precedence over romantic pursuits. For instance, a woman pursuing advanced studies or a demanding career may focus her energy on professional achievements, leaving less time for developing romantic relationships. This highlights how life priorities influence relationship patterns. The study also revealed that living with parents affected individuals residing with their parents were less likely to enter a romantic relationship, possibly due to limited independence or fewer opportunities to develop social intimacy. For example, a young adult living at home might struggle to create the personal space often needed to nurture a meaningful connection with a partner. Psychological factors such as loneliness and depression also played a major role. Participants experiencing higher levels of loneliness and depressive symptoms were less likely to seek out or form relationships. On the other hand, individuals who were satisfied with their lives were more likely to engage socially and attract partners. This shows how emotional well-being directly influences relationship dynamics. A striking finding from the study is that the longer someone remains single without ever having a partner, the more life satisfaction tends to decline, while feelings of loneliness increase. In late 20s, these effects are particularly pronounced, reflecting the social pressures and expectations around forming long-term relationships during this period of life. Yet, when lifelong singles do enter their first romantic relationship, their life satisfaction rises significantly, and loneliness decreases. Interestingly, this first relationship does not necessarily reduce depressive feelings, which may stem from other factors in their lives. Overall, the research shows that never partnered individuals generally have lower psychological well-being compared to people in relationships, especially if singlehood continues into the late 20s. Their experiences differ from those who were in relationships and later became single, emphasizing the need for more targeted studies on lifelong singlehood. These insights can help society better understand the psychological challenges faced by singles and encourage support systems for improving their mental health. Stay connected with Content Analysis for more fascinating insights into human behavior, lifestyle trends, and scientific discoveries.